Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will focus on types of LOD, level of detail expressions, include and fixed. There are three types of level of detail expressions: include, exclude, and fixed. But in this video, we will focus on include and fixed. I've already discussed the basics of level of detail expressions in the last video. You can go and watch that video as well. So let's get started with this. I'm using coffee chain dataset. I've already connected my dataset to Tableau. So let's get started with the analysis. So for this, in order to build the include expression, I want to calculate the average sales of product type by product. Means I want to know what are the average sales for a particular product type, and I want to do that by another dimension, which is the product. So let's first have a look on these dimensions. First, I'm going to drag in the product line, which is beans and leaves. So then we have the product type: coffee, espresso, herbal tea, and tea. Then we have the product. So this is a hierarchy of the dimensions. So this one uh, is the most coarser dimension. Then we have the finer, then we have the finest dimensions. And if I want to calculate the average sales, I'm going to drag in the sales here, and I'm going to select average from here. Now we have got the average sales, but this average sale is according to this product. So whatever records, whatever orders we have in the data set for this particular product, all those sales are averaged in this case. But what we want is we want to calculate the average of product type according to product. Now even if I remove product from my view, I'm getting the average sales for all the records, all the orders where I have the product type as coffee. In this case, this average is not calculating according to the product. So let's do that. Firstly, I'm going to select product, and I'm keeping product in the view for now. So next, I have to build include expression to solve this question. So I'm going to create a calculated field. So let's name this as include product, because we want to include this particular dimension in the calculation. So whenever we are writing LOD expressions, we must write this curly bracket, because LOD expressions start with this curly bracket and ends with it. So because this is include expression, I'm going to write the keyword include. Then we have to write the dimension that we want to include. So this is the product, and the calculation that we want to perform, I want to sum all the sales for product. And then we have to end it using another curly bracket. So this is the final expression that we have written. We are including product into the calculation. So this particular dimension that we have written here will be additional to the view. Whatever we have in the view, this will act as the additional dimension in calculating that particular operation. So let's apply this, and okay. Now I'm bringing this here and going to calculate average of this. Now you can have a look on the difference between these two calculations. This is the average sales for this product. So in this case, the calculation has been performed by considering all the records of the product and then calculating the average. However, in this case, what we are doing is we are first actually summing up all the records of this product, and then we are calculating the average. Now in this case, if I remove the product from the view, now what's going on? Now again, the calculation is being performed at the product level. First, all the product sales are summed up, then the average is calculated. If I remove product type, now in this case, we have got a different result. In this case, for beans, first all the products are summed up and then the average is calculated for the beans. Here we are considering the product line and the product, because product is not participating in the view, but due to include calculation, include LOD expression, we are first calculating the sum of all the product sales and then we are calculating average of that according to beans and leaves. So this is how we use include expression and this is the use of that. So let me just get back the view. Okay, so let's perform the fixed LOD calculation as well. Now, the fixed LOD calculation differs from include LOD expression because the fix only fix the dimensions that we mention in the calculation in the LOD expression. So let's try to build the same using fixed expression. For that, I'm going to create a calculated field and I'm going to name it as fixed, and I'm going to fixed product So this is the final fixed expression. Here I am fixing the product and we are calculating the sum of sales. So this particular dimension will be fixed for the view. Let's apply this and okay. And now I'm dragging in that LOD expression into the view. So let's change this to average now. So here we have got the average sales of product type by product, and here we have got the same results in this case. But when we are making our view more complex, then we have to alter the expression. Fixed expression needs all the dimensions in the expression that we want to include in the view itself to get our answer correct. For that, I'm going to select territory here in the columns. So there are Okay, so here you can see now we have the four territories: central, east, south, and west. And this column is giving us include expression results, and this one is giving us fixed expression result. You can see the results have been altered according to territory in case of include. Now we are getting the average sales of product type by product in central, and here we are getting in east region, and here we are getting in south. However, in this case the fixed expression is not changed has not changed, so this is same for all the territories. So this means that the fixed expression requires all the dimensions in the calculation that are participating in the view in order to get our answer correct. For that, I'm going to edit my fixed expression. So here you can see in a view we have only included the product. Means I have to include the territory as well in this expression in order to get my answers correct. So firstly, I'm going to include the product type. So this is the hierarchy separated by comma, and also I'm going to include territory. So now this is the calculation we have got. Let's apply this. And now you can see here we have got the average sales of product type in central, same as for fixed, same as that we got for include. So whenever so this is the difference. Include LOD expression, whatever we are writing in the calculation includes that dimension additional to the dimensions that we have in the view. However, in case of fixed, whatever dimension we mention in the calculation, that will be included in calculating the average results. So let's have a look on the another difference between include and fixed. Here you can see that the fixed LOD expressions lie before the dimension filters, and include or exclude LOD expressions lie after the dimension filters. So this means that the fixed LOD expressions will not be responsive for the dimension filters, and include and exclude LOD expressions will respond whenever we are using the dimension filters. For that, I'm going to select territory and I'm going to put it in the filters. Here I'm going to show the filter. Okay, next I'm going to edit my fixed expression in order to make you understand more about this. In this case, we do not want territory because territory is not participating in our view. So make sure your calculation is having the product type and the product itself, the hierarchy that we have in the view. So I'm going to click OK. So this is how we want to perform a calculation. As in case of include, there is no territory. I've removed the territory from the columns. We have include expression, fixed expression with the product type and the product. So now if I select the territory from here, you can see that the include expression is changing according to the territory. So if I select south and west, so these are the average sales for product type according to this product in south and west. However, you can see that the fixed expression remains unchanged for the change in this filter. You can see I'm changing, selecting this filter. I'm selecting 2 or 3 territories in this filter, but the fixed one remains unchanged and include expression is changing. So I hope this is clear to you that the fixed LODs do not respond to the dimension filters, and include and exclude LODs do respond to the dimension filters and changes as we select the values from the filters. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.